Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy credits on the Rocket League game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rocket League game on your device, and once you are inside the main menu, you will be able to find the item shop option. Go ahead and click on it. And now in order to buy credits, you will need to click on buy credits at the bottom left section. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see various different credit packages. Just click on your preferred version, and now you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to purchase this package. Go ahead and tap on the yes button, and now you will be taken into the payment confirmation page. You will need to enter your creator code if you have one, and you can use your Epic Rewards balance, your Epic wallet, or your credit card and PayPal. After choosing either one of the payment methods, just enter your credentials and then click on the place order button, and now the credits will be added onto your account after your payment has been verified. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy credits on Rocket League. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.